The police commissioner says plans to establish an operational support team in the West are far advanced. Speaking at a media briefing this week, Major General Anthony Anderson stressed its importance as he pointed out that the western parishes continue to account for 70% of the country's murders.
To that extent, we are developing an operational support team at the area level, quite a strong team that is scheduled to join them down there to increase their capacity to mount an operational response. And at the moment, we have another set of officers going through quick response motorcycle training to shore up there and other places across the country.
In the meantime, he says the police will continue to carry out targeted operations aimed at disrupting illicit activities.
So far, we have taken 48 persons into custody, arrested 37 persons on reasonable suspicion, charged 8 wanted persons, seized 16 motor vehicles, 21 electronic devices, and 6 lead sheets. We have also seized just over $5,000 and 1 million Jamaican dollars, as well as 2.4 kilograms of cocaine.